আমি প্রথমে জ্বরে পড়ে যাই আগস্ট মাসের প্রথমে। সেই জ্বর থেকে বুকে একটু চাপ চাপ মনে হয় এবং তারপরে বলি না একবার আমরা চেক আপ করে নিই। তো ডাক্তার আমরা মেডিকাতে গিয়ে চেক আপ করলাম। তো ওখানে চেক আপ করে কোভিড পজিটিভ ধরা পড়ল এবং সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা মেডিকাতে অ্যাডমিশান হয়ে গেলাম। মেডিকাতে অ্যাডমিশান হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে 18 দিন পরে আমাকে ওখান থেকে মেডিকাতে রিলিজ করলো কোভিড নেগেটিভ। তারপরে বাড়িতে এলাম, তখনও ভালো করে চলতে পারছি না, অক্সিজেন ডাউন হয়ে গেছে। আমরা একটা ভালো ফিজিওথেরাপি চাচ্ছিলাম, যে যার ফিজিও প্র্যাকটিস করিয়ে আমাদের যে অক্সিজেন লেভেলটা বাড়ানো যায়। ফিজিওথেরাপির একজন মাস্টারমশাই পেয়ে গেলাম। পেয়ে ধীরে ধীরে আমার পজিশান ফিজিওর মাধ্যমে আমি তো প্রথমে বাড়িতে এসে চলতে পারতাম না, বাথরুমে যেতে পারতাম না, চান করতে যেতে পারতাম না এবং ভালোভাবে হাঁটতে পারতাম না। এই ফিজিওর মাধ্যমে আমি আমার হাঁটা চলা, বাথরুম যাওয়া সব কিছু খুব ইজি হয়ে গেল। ফলে আমি মনে করছি এই ফিজিও আমার জীবনের অনেকটা মোড় ঘুরিয়ে দিয়েছে এবং আমার ওই যে অক্সিজেন ডেফিসিয়েন্সি ছিল সেটা অনেকটা ডেভেলপ করে দিয়েছে এবং আমার চলাফেরা, সিঁড়ি ভাঙা সব কিছু উন্নতি হয়েছে।
शी इज़ माई मदर भावना मेहता एंड आई एम अ डॉटर विराली मेहता। तो उनको 2 साल पहले स्पाइन टीबी डिटेक्ट हुआ था और फिर 2-3 महीना हॉस्पिटल थी, फिर फिजियोथेरेपी घर आके स्टार्ट किया था। तो स्पाइन टीबी और मेनिंजाइटिस होने के कारण उनका बैलेंस, राइट लेग का बैलेंस नहीं था, तो फिजियोथेरेपी रखे थे और उससे क्या पहले कमर में बैलेंस ला रहा था वो जो फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट था, फिर आस्ते आस्ते वॉकिंग करा रहा था, स्टैंडिंग में बैलेंस लाने का ट्राई कर रहा था। तो वो 1.5 साल जितना बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ और उसमें मतलब फिजियोथेरेपी का बहुत बड़ा रोल था जो था फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट। और फिर मतलब 2019 में वापस 2019 दिसंबर में वापस माय मदर उनको जीबी सिंड्रोम डिटेक्ट हुआ, जिसके वजह से वो वापस 2 मंथ्स जितना हॉस्पिटल थी। तो अभी तो उनको मतलब 2 हैंड्स 2 लेग्स मतलब एवरीथिंग इज़ पैरालाइज्ड राइट नाउ। अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा जैसे बैठना सीख रही है, ब्रीदिंग का कंट्रोल आ रहा है, लंग्स थोड़ा गेन हो रहे हैं, मसल्स और वो सब स्ट्रेंथन हो रहा है, और अभी बैठने का भी मतलब इंडिपेंडेंटली बैठने का भी वो ट्राई कर रही है.
I'm Devanjan Pal, and today I want to share my experiences about my mother on this World Physiotherapy Day. She got diagnosed with Parkinson disorder, and initially she was facing problems like she faced difficulty in sitting while rising from sitting posture, while walking. So she started taking she became a lot of dependent, and she started taking a lot of external support, and as a result she also lowered her confidence, which lowered her confidence. So while walking, due to her problem, she has normal Parkinson disorder problem, like while trying to start the walking momentum, her body is trying to move, but her legs is not moving. That is why she got a tumble, and she kept on falling on places here and there. So due to these injuries, her confidence also take a lower beat, and that's why she became very much afraid to do her day-to-day jobs. So on that time, we started taking medical attention, and we apart from the medical help, they asked us to go for the physiotherapy. So we started physiotherapy last 3 months back, and as a result, already she is able to. She has a little bit eased her muscular rigidity. She can easily now rise up from a sitting position. She takes a lot less of time to move from one position to another. Her muscular rigidity and her functional motor functions are quite developed right now. And as a part of walking, still she is dependent on external support, but. But walking is a little bit normalized than what it was previously 3 months back. So I am quite confident and positive on physiotherapy, and I will continue this in longer term to help her to ease her more motor functions and to help her to live better.
Hi, I'm Supratim Basu, a digital marketer by profession and very much passionate about football. Currently playing for a amateur football club that is called Young Guns FC. Back in 2016, I had a major injury in my right knee. My ACL was torn up, and then I used to play with that injury for a long time, almost a year. But then I felt that it is not me, that I am playing not up to the mark. So I consulted a doctor, and the doctor told me I have to operate my right knee, and then I operated it and done a normal rehab for 6 months, and then back in the field. But however, I felt that I am not able to give 100% on the field. So hence I started my rehab programs once again, and honestly speaking, right now I am feeling very much up and confident. when I used to play, I always feel that even if I am almost 29, but I almost feel I am 25 still. And I am sure if I am doing this for a long time and in a consecutive days, and it will help me a lot day by day. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Shayango Susidhar. I am an oral surgeon by profession. Last 4 weeks before, I met with a bike accident. I have fallen down from my bike, and post that I was diagnosed with AC joint grade 1 injury by an orthopedic surgeon, and he has recommended me to go for 2 weeks complete rest. Then after that, post that 2 weeks, he told me to go for physiotherapy. So I went, and after some sessions only, 2 weeks of physiotherapy, I was completely 90%. My pain got cured. The problems I was facing, that I was not able to treat my patients due to that shoulder pain, and 90% of that pain has gone, and my mobility is fine with my shoulder. So I am very happy with this treatment, and I will always tell any patients or any normal individual not to take over-the-counter medicines or unnecessary medicines. Go for physiotherapy because it's a natural treatment where drugs are not being used. And during this session, when I was going through this physiotherapy sessions, my physiotherapist told me that I am very much injury prone because I have some instabilities in my muscles and joints. So I want to continue these sessions further to prevent such that in future I don't meet with any injuries because of this.
So this is a small gist what physiotherapy can. So you see, medical science has become pretty advanced nowadays, and physiotherapy is a part of that. There are millions of researcher physios around the world who are working day and night to produce some concepts that will help you to ease your struggles daily you are facing. And lastly, what I can say, if you want to get benefited from this advanced treatment of medical science, then you have to choose your physios wisely. I can give a very simple hint as an example. Like all of us know, there is a difference between an electrician and an engineer. So that is the point. I hope you understand what I mean to say. So today is 8th of September, World Physical Therapy Day. So I wish all of my senior professional mates, to my juniors, my fellow friends, and to all of you, a very happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy World Physiotherapy Day.